Hello and welcome to another video review. Most people don't have the time to dedicate to reading countless reviews. That's where we come in. We spent weeks researching the most popular products of this year. In doing so, we read hundreds of reviews and consulted with experts. Working alongside the most knowledgeable people in the industry, we rated each piece of equipment based on its selection of features, ease of use, value for the money, and the reputation of its manufacturer. Let's take a look at the products that impressed us the most.
Meet the August Smart Lock. Control who you welcome into your home like never before. August installs on the inside of your door and makes your smartphone a smart key, and more. August automatically unlocks your door as you approach, so no more fumbling for keys. And it locks automatically when you leave. With the August Smart Lock, give guests like dog walkers, delivery people, or friends and family virtual keys with access for a few days, a few hours, or even just specific times. Never leave keys under the mat or in fake rocks again. The August Smart Lock allows you to let in who you want when you want, and get instant notifications when anyone comes and goes from your home using the August app, so you know your loved ones are home safe. And you can even keep track of guests with a 24/7 activity log right on your smartphone. With August Smart Lock, send virtual keys to guests and never copy a key again. Give guests access for a few days, a few hours, or specific times. Always know who comes and goes with a 24/7 activity log. And stop fumbling for keys. August Smart Lock automatically locks and unlocks your door. The August Smart Lock is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto-unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto-lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Once your Schlage touchscreen deadbolt is installed and operating smoothly, you can program the alarm function to suit your security needs and preferences. The alarm is turned off by default. To begin programming, turn on the alarm by holding the inside Schlage button down until the light flashes once, for about 5 seconds. To test whether the alarm is turned on, press and release the button once. It will light up and beep to indicate that the alarm is activated. To turn off the alarm, you simply press and hold the same button until it flashes twice, about 6 seconds. You can only program or change settings for the alarm when it is turned on, and you can only use the inside Schlage button to program your alarm. Your alarm can be set to 3 different modes. Tamper mode responds to any subtle activity that vibrates the door when the deadbolt is locked. The alarm in the tamper mode is a 15-second sound with alternating flashing lights on both sides of the inside Schlage button. Activity mode alarms you every time the door opens or closes. 2 short beeps will sound, and the center LED light on the inside Schlage button will flash. This setting is perfect for monitoring the door while you're home. After the alarm is triggered, there is a built-in 3-second delay for it to reset. Forced entry mode responds every time significant force pushes against the door while it is locked. A shrill, steady siren will sound for 3 minutes, and all lights on the Schlage button will flash. Many people use this alarm setting all the time, and it's the perfect setting for nighttime or when you're away. Every time you power the alarm on, it defaults to the forced entry mode. To change the mode, follow these simple steps. Be sure your alarm is powered on. To set in tamper mode, press and hold the Schlage button until the first flash, about 2 seconds. Then press and release the button until the middle LED light on the button is lit. To set activity mode, press and hold the Schlage button until the first flash, about 2 seconds. Then click the button until the left side LED light on the button is lit. To set or return to forced entry mode, press and hold the Schlage button until the first flash, about 2 seconds. Then click the button until the right side LED light on the button is lit. The lock will beep when it leaves programming mode. You can also adjust the sensitivity level for your lock. Only do this if the alarm is sounding too frequently or not frequently enough. The default sensitivity level is 3, but you can set a level of 1 to 5, with 1 being most sensitive and 5 being least sensitive. To change the sensitivity level, press and hold the Schlage button until the third flash, about 10 seconds. Each time you tap the button, the alarm will beep, and the button will flash the same number of times as the setting level. Keep tapping the button until the number of flashes and beeps matches your desired sensitivity setting. The lock will beep when it leaves programming mode.